Good morning everyone, this is Wei from Early 7 Farm. Today what we're going to do is to cut this dead branch of our dalanghita tree. It is all dried up to this side, but the other side is still good and is still bearing fruit, so we wanted to save the good side of the tree and try to remove this dead branch. We tried the rope on top of the branch and we have already cut 3/4 of the branch, so what we're going to do is just pull the branch forward. Hopefully it will break through. Okay, so it looks like. Bert, dito, punta mo rito. Yo, itaas mo lang yung ano, taas mo yun, oh, yung yan, yung isang yan ang nakasandal eh, yung branch na yan. Okay, as you can see, this is already dried branch. Hopefully we can save the remaining part of the tree. Okay, looks like it's good. So we have managed to cut the dead branch, for majority of the dried branches are already have no chance of growing back, but this one at least it still has fruits. As you can see, it still has fruits. Hopefully we can still revive this side of the tree. There's the fruit. There's a lot of fruit, and that's what we're going to do. And we're also planning to air root this tree if we can. So we're going to marcot these small branches. Hopefully we can grow roots on them and starts replanting them. We will continue to trim these dead branches and hopefully this plant can recover. We noticed that the whole part of this big bark is infested with termites, so we have no choice but to cut it so that this good bark can be saved. So what we did is we get a chainsaw and cut it from the bottom. As you can see, there's already no root system for this one big bark, so hopefully we can still save this remaining tree and it can be healthy and bear fruits again. Right now it's still bearing fruit. There's a lot of dalanghita here, you can see. If this is something that you find interesting and that you can apply to your farm or to your homestead, please do like, subscribe, comment, and share to your family and friends. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.